Hey Bronco Fanatics, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco, and yes, we are looking at my Dakota Digital Dash because we actually got things up and running and powered. That'll be a separate review of our beloved painless wiring harness, but I'm just going to do a quick review of the Stinger Roadkill Carpet Pad. Chose to do this on the inside of the truck on top of the lizard skin. I will also be doing it in the back underneath there. Why did I choose the Roadkill? Well, the answer is its construction is a little bit different than your standard carpet pad. It has a, we'll call it hard layer here of mass-loaded vinyl. That weight of that vinyl is what absorbs the sound waves, and then that creates energy, and that's where this foam, closed cell foam, comes in and absorbs it. So cuts very easily with a knife, although you do tend to end up with kind of like jagged corners on that. If you can cut it with a pair of scissors, you get a much nicer line. I adhered it down with the 3M 90, 25 bucks for a can. Holy cow, that's crazy. But you know, when it's down, it's not going anywhere. Then we're gonna put the carpet on top, and we should be in good shape. So I believe I've got the right product. I think that's going to do a wonderful job killing, you know, the sound. I've got it all, well, can't see it because I don't have a light, but, you know, we go up the firewall. I actually sandwiched it between the air box on the Vintage Air and the floor as well. So, went in, looks nice. We've still got things to do. We got the seats all ready to be wired in, bases painted. What else did we do? We got the exhaust done. When we powered it up, the Phytech turned on the fuel pump, and then we found out one of the AN8 fittings at the gas tank had been damaged at some point in time and had a fuel leaking all over the floor. So it's been an interesting week, but I wanted to let you know. So far, you know, the Roadkill Stinger, I think is going to be a, you know, I mean, that's me wrapping on this part of the frame right there. I do believe it sounds more like a door, and, you know, we're not getting the twang we get from other body panels. So overall, I like it. I think it's easy to work with, cuts nice with the, you know, X-Acto knife, but scissors will get you the much more crisp cuts. I mean, it's very obvious. I cut this with the scissors. Obviously, I left a little gap, and then you can see where I hacked it with a knife. It's not so pretty. Overall, though, I like it. I think it's going to do a good job, and would give it a thumbs up. We're going to be putting it in the back, underneath the carpet back there, too. Let's face it, Broncos are never going to be quiet vehicles. We're just going for quieter. All right, thanks, everyone. Hope you have a blessed week.